American Sign Language Video. Guide to the California Voter Registration and Pre-Registration Application. When completing a voter registration/pre-registration application card, please make sure you write clearly using blue or black color ink. Fill out a voter registration card if you A. are a new voter, B. are pre-registering to vote, C. have changed your name, D. have moved, or E. want to change your political party preference. You can also register to vote online at registertovote.ca.gov. Section 1. Qualifications. You can register to vote if 1. you are a United States citizen and a California resident, and 2. will be 18 years or older by Election Day. If you are 16 or 17 years of age, you can pre-register to vote. Section 2. Your legal name. Include your full legal name. You are required to write your first name, middle name if applicable, and last name, including any suffix such as junior, senior, second, or third. Section 3. Identification. In this section, you will need to provide the following: your date of birth, your California driver's license or California ID card number, the last 4 numbers of your Social Security number, if you have one, and your U.S. state or foreign country of birth. Section 4. Address where you live. Write your residential address. You cannot use a P.O. Box number for this section. You must write your home address, including apartment or unit number if applicable, your city, your zip code, and California county. If you do not have a street address, you can give an exact description of where you live. Include cross streets, route, north, south, east, west, bridges, landmarks, etc. Section 5. Mailing address. If you have a different mailing address, provide it here. You may include a P.O. Box number as your mailing address. Write the city, state, zip code, and foreign country if applicable. Section 6. Registration history. You will complete the registration history section if you were previously registered. You will write your full legal name, your previous address, and your previous political party preference, if any. Section 7. Vote by mail. If you check yes, you will get your ballot by mail before each election. But if you want to vote in person, you will need to turn in your ballot or vote a provisional ballot at the polls. If you check no, you will continue to vote on Election Day at a polling location. Section 8. Political party preference. You can choose from the following political parties: American Independent Party, Democratic Party, Green Party, Libertarian Party, Peace and Freedom Party, Republican Party, or other. which you will need to write in. If you don't want to choose a political party, you may check the No Party, None box. If you choose this option, you may not be able to vote for some parties as presidential or party central committee candidates at a primary election. Section 9. Optional voter information. You may include your email and phone number. You may also select your language preference for receiving election materials in the following languages: English, Spanish, Chinese, Hindi, Japanese, Khmer, Korean, Tagalog, Thai, Vietnamese. You can also select other language. If no box is checked or the language is not available, voter materials will be provided in English. You may also select the box to request the voting materials in an accessible format. You may also select the box, I want to be a poll worker, for future follow-up. You may also include your ethnicity and/or race. Section 10. Affidavit. You must sign and date in the red box in order to complete your registration. When you sign, you are swearing and affirming that 1. You are a U.S. citizen and resident of California and at least 16 years old. 2. You are not currently serving a state or federal prison term for the conviction of a felony. 3. You are not currently found mentally incompetent to vote by a court. 4. You understand that it is a crime to intentionally provide incorrect information on this form. 5. You declare under penalty of perjury, under the laws of the state of California, that the information on this form is true and correct. Bottom of the card, blue box. If you have someone helping you fill out or deliver the form, the blue box found on the bottom right-hand side must be completed and signed by the person who assisted you. Once you have completed all the required information, you will tear and keep the bottom part as your receipt. You should keep this receipt until you receive a notice from your county elections official. You will now need to fold and tape to seal your voter registration card. Do not staple the card. No postage is necessary if mailed in the United States.